rounding whole numbers and decimals. First, this doesn't change. 5 or more, let it soar. 4 or less, let it rest. Let's look at 35. We're rounding to the nearest tens. 3 is in the tens place. 5. Is it more or less than 5? 5 is more. So we add 1 to the 3 to make it a 4. The other digits become a 0. So the answer is 40. 32. We're looking at the 2. It's less than 5. So the 3 does not change. It stays the same. And the 2 becomes a 0. So we end up with the number 30. Let's look at the monkey chart. 3,839. Let's round to the nearest thousand. We're looking at the 3 in the thousands place. The 8 is more than 5, so we have to round it up. We add 1, the 3 becomes a 4, the rest of the digits becomes a 0, so we get 4,000. 7,220. Thousands place, rounding it to the thousands place. 7. So we're looking at the 2. The 2 is less than 5. So the 7 stays the same because of that 2. And all the digits becomes a 0. So we end up with 1,000. 7,000. Let's round to the nearest 1,000. Number 1 is done for you. 16,824. Find the digit in the thousands place, which is the 6. We're looking at the digit behind it, the 8. It's more than 5, so we add 1 to the 6 to make it a 7. So we have 17,000. Go ahead, pause the video, try the rest on your own. Rounding decimals. We are looking at the numbers or the places behind the decimal point. Tens, hundreds, thousands. Tens, hundreds, thousands. On the chart, round to the nearest hundreds. We need to figure out which digit is in that hundreds place. In this case, it is a 7. We look at the 3. Because it is less than 7, the 7 does not change. It stays the same while the other digits become a 0 or simply leave it off, leaving us with 5 and 1,700. Now we have 4 examples which are asking us to round to the thousandth place. We have to find the digit in the thousands place. So for the green card, number 13, which digit is in the thousands place? The 0, the second 0, great. So we look at the 7. The 7 is more than 5. So that 0 is going to become 1 with the other numbers behind it becoming a 0. So would the answer be A, B, or C? If you said A, good job. Number 14, the purple card. Which digit in 9 is in the thousands place? 8. We're looking at the 1. When we look at 8 is less, so is it? 1 is less. So is it A, B, or C? A. Number 15, the orange card. The 0, the third 0 is in the thousands place. We look at the 5. It's more. So that 0 now becomes a 1. So A, B, or C? B. And number 16, the blue card. The 1 is in the thousands place. Looking at the 3, it is less than 5. So the 1 does not change. So A, B, or C? C. Good. Here are a few more for you to try. Pause the video. Answer as many as you can. Remember, read carefully and round to whichever place is asking you to round to.